उन्हें देश की सेवा में समर्पित किया।
Minister of Health and Family Welfare Dr. Mazel Ampareen Lyngdoh yesterday inaugurated the Lumkyrwiang Urban Health Centre in the presence of local MLA and Chairman of Meghalaya Urban Development Authority Wailat Miki Shilla, President of Kur Sukpo Khatar Wirnai, Daloi Ilaka Joai, Puramon Kinjing and others. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Ampareen extended her deepest gratitude to the Kur Sukpo Khatar Wirnai for the generosity towards donating the land for the construction of the Urban Health Centre, which in turn has benefited all the members of the community. She also mentioned that inauguration of the health centre on the International Women's Day adds a special significance to the occasion, symbolizing a commitment to the health and well-being of women in the society.
Welcome our esteemed dignitaries by pinning a bouquet.
Thank you. Thank you. Kani ka center ru kanlong kata ka center hakba min kmi ya ki khon ki jongmi ki badai hapo ka khat saus nem don kam yangi kumba pilatip pat pilayo snow ba kani ka jing don brio ka population ha ka jilla ka jungi 75% la day lupa daki khon ki bahapo kalai ku sans nem